Hello, my name is Saskia Keesstra. I'm from the Netherlands and I work at Wageningen Environmental Research. And I am the work package lead of work package 2 in prep soil. The report that we did is called a regionally focused research and innovation agenda. It is supposed to give guidance to funders and also researchers to see what kind of research and innovation is further needed to help implement and outscale the Living Lab and Lighthouses approaches. The Living Lab and Lighthouses in the soil mission are place-based innovation spaces, which basically means, it sounds very complex, but it basically means that it's usually in a region. There are a couple of farms and that produce a certain product. So they try to create a network of different actors within the value chain of that specific agricultural product in this case, and how they can interact with each other to jointly come up with a vision that will make the situation more sustainable. And to be able to do that, you need to collaborate. And that is what is the idea behind the Living Lab. The idea of this regional strategic agenda for research and innovation is that we try to identify activities that need to be done at the level of Europe, at the level of regions, maybe also intermediately at the level of countries, and then specifically for different land uses. So, and then with this framework that I just described, with the 4 compartments that have the research and innovation, the co-creation, the data management, and the upscaling and outscaling needs. It is really targeted first, like general needs for all these 4 compartments, then general needs for all these 4 compartments for agriculture, forestry, and natural areas, for urban and industrial areas, and for areas which have different types of land uses within them, which we call mixed zones, and then for different regions across Europe, so for north, for east, west, and south. Repso was the very first project of the soil mission, and in that way it tried to cover all the different aspects that were important for the soil mission to be implemented. Some of the work packages, they have been followed up with projects that have been implemented already, and to prepare the ground for those and to make some coherence between these different parts of the soil mission, I think that is the main legacy of Prep Soil. Well, specifically for the research and innovation agenda that we've made, that I was responsible for, I hope that the ideas that we put there, that came from a broad inventory across Europe with 20 different regions where we did workshops, where we tried to ask the farmers and the other stakeholders in those regions what their needs in terms of research and innovation are to achieve soil health in the end in their region. That this information will be used, that it's not that people that have that need some ideas to either fund because they are a funding agent, or researchers that need some new ideas for where their research would be most useful. So we hope that our document will facilitate that.